The price of this home may surprise you. The real surprise comes next. A beautiful new home does not have to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Many families think they need a huge loan before they can own a nice home, but that is not always true. A barndominium can give us a strong, modern, and comfortable home while keeping costs much lower. The secret is not buying the cheapest materials. The real secret is making smart choices from the very beginning. In this video, we will show you exactly how to build a barndominium for less than $150,000. We will cover land, planning, materials, labor, and simple ways to save money. Stay with us until the end, because one easy tip could save you thousands of dollars. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the bell so you never miss more easy videos about barndominiums, land, and smart real estate ideas. If you enjoy learning simple ways to save money while building your dream home, visit CryptoGolorNews.live for more helpful updates. Keep learning, keep saving, and let's build smarter together. Build the budget first. Every successful barndominium begins with a smart money plan, not with building work. The first thing we should build is not the house. We should build a smart budget. Many people start buying land or building materials before they know how much everything will cost. That mistake can quickly push the project over $150,000. Before spending even $1, write down every expected cost. Include the land, permits, concrete, steel, roofing, plumbing, electricity, insulation, flooring, paint, and furniture. It is also a good idea to keep around $10,000 to $20,000 for unexpected costs, because prices can change during 2026. A well-planned budget keeps every dollar working for us and helps avoid costly surprises. Buy ready-to-build land. Choosing the right land can save more money than many people expect. The cheapest land is not always the best land. Some low-priced lots need expensive work before building can even begin. Land with a flat surface is usually faster and cheaper to prepare because builders spend fewer days leveling the ground. It is even better if water, electricity, sewer, and a road are already close to the property. Adding these services later can cost anywhere from $15,000 to $50,000, depending on the location. Some families save $15,000 or more simply by buying land that is already ready for building. Visit the property at least 2 or 3 times, including after rain if possible, before making the final decision. Think small, first a smaller home can be one of the smartest ways to stay within budget. Many people believe bigger always means better, but that is not always true. When trying to keep the total cost below $150,000, every extra room adds more money. A home between 1,200 and 1,600 square feet is enough for many families with 3 to 5 people. Smaller homes need less concrete, less steel, fewer windows, and a smaller roof. They also cost less to heat, cool, clean, and maintain every month. Instead of building empty rooms, make every space useful. A smart layout often makes a smaller home feel much larger than it really is. Keep the shape simple. A simple house shape is one of the easiest ways to reduce building costs. One smart decision can save thousands of dollars before construction even starts. A rectangle is one of the most affordable designs because builders can finish it faster and with fewer materials. Straight walls create less waste and make measuring much easier. Fancy corners, curves, and complex roof designs can increase both labor and material costs by many thousands of dollars. A simple design is also easier to repair if anything needs fixing later. Many affordable barndominiums built in 2025 and 2026 follow this idea because it keeps the project simple from start to finish. Buy a complete steel kit. Buying everything together often saves both money and valuable time. Instead of purchasing every part one by one, many families order a complete steel building kit. Most kits include the steel frame, roof panels, wall panels, bolts, screws, hardware, and easy step-by-step instructions. Every part is made to fit correctly, helping reduce mistakes during construction. Many builders can complete the main steel frame in about 1 to 3 weeks, depending on the size of the home. Faster building usually means lower labor costs and fewer delays. A complete steel kit gives us a much better chance of keeping the entire project below $150,000. Keep the floor plan open. A wide and open layout can make a home feel bigger while costing less to build. Inside the house, we do not need many small rooms to enjoy a comfortable life. An open floor plan joins the kitchen, dining area, and living room into one large space. This design uses fewer inside walls, fewer doors, and fewer building materials. It also allows more sunlight to enter the home through large windows during the day. Many families say an open layout makes the home feel brighter and more welcoming. It is also easier to clean and much simpler to change later if the family's needs grow. A smart open floor plan saves money without giving up comfort or style. Pick the right foundation. Everything above the ground depends on getting this one step right first. The foundation is one of the most important parts of the whole house. If it is built well, the rest of the home has a strong and safe base. Many affordable barndominiums use a concrete slab foundation because it is simple, strong, and often costs less than building a basement. In 2026, a concrete slab is one of the most common choices for homes under $150,000. Before the concrete is poured, builders should test the soil and make sure the ground is ready. Fixing foundation problems later can cost $8,000 to $20,000 or even more. Spending a little extra on good preparation helps the home stay strong for many years. Spend less inside a beautiful home does not need the most expensive things to look amazing. When people finally see the inside of their new home, they often want costly flooring, luxury lights, and expensive kitchen cabinets. These upgrades can quickly push the project over budget. Strong vinyl flooring is a smart choice because it is affordable, easy to clean, and can last 15 to 25 years with proper care. Simple cabinets and light paint colors can also make the home feel bright and modern. Fancy decorations can always be added later when more money is available. Finish the important rooms first and improve the rest over time. Smart choices inside the home help keep the total cost below $150,000. Do small jobs yourself. Every small job you complete yourself can help lower the final building cost. Labor is one of the biggest expenses when building any home. If you have basic skills, you can paint walls, clean the building site, install simple shelves, or plant grass around the house. These easy jobs may save around $2,000 to $5,000 during the project. However, electrical wiring, plumbing, and structural work should always be completed by licensed professionals because they must meet local building rules. This also helps keep your family safe. Doing the simple work yourself while leaving difficult jobs to experts is one of the smartest ways to stay within budget. Shop before you buy. Taking time to compare prices can save a surprising amount of money. Building materials do not always cost the same throughout the year. Steel, concrete, insulation, and roofing materials often become more expensive during busy building seasons. Before buying, compare prices from at least 3 local suppliers to find the best deal. Some companies also offer discounts when you buy larger orders or shop during slower months. You can even ask about extra materials left from other projects at lower prices. Saving just 5% to 10% on materials can reduce the total project cost by several $1,000s. Smart shopping is an easy way to keep more money in your pocket. Build for lower bills. A smart home keeps saving money long after construction is finished. Saving money should not stop when the house is complete. Good insulation keeps warm air inside during winter and cool air inside during summer, helping lower monthly energy bills. Energy-efficient windows also reduce heating and cooling costs throughout the year. LED light bulbs use up to 75% less electricity than older bulbs and often last 10 to 15 years. Many families also prepare their roof for future solar panels, even if they install them several years later. These simple choices help reduce monthly utility bills for the next 20 to 30 years. A home that costs less to run is always a smart investment. Avoid costly mistakes. The biggest savings often come from avoiding problems before they happen. Many builders lose money because they make simple mistakes that could have been prevented. Some begin building before getting the right permits, while others change the floor plan after construction has already started. These changes can add thousands of dollars and delay the project by several weeks. Buying very cheap materials that wear out quickly is another costly mistake. Always compare products, read customer reviews, and ask experienced builders before making important decisions. Careful planning today can prevent expensive repairs and stress later. A beautiful home for less. Building your dream home does not always require a huge budget. Building a barndominium for under $150,000 is possible when every decision is made carefully. A simple design, good land, a complete steel kit, smart budgeting, and careful shopping all help reduce costs. We do not need the biggest house to enjoy a happy and comfortable life. We need a home that is strong, affordable, and built to last for many years. Every dollar saved during construction can be used later for furniture, emergency savings, or family needs. With patience, smart planning, and good choices, a beautiful barndominium can become a reality without breaking the budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, press the bell so you never miss a new video. We make simple and easy videos about barndominiums, affordable homes, land, real estate, finance, and smart money ideas. If you know someone who is planning to build a home while staying on a budget, share this video with them too. It really helps our channel grow and reach more people. For more simple updates about affordable homes, land, real estate, and smart investments, visit cryptogalorenews.live. Keep learning, keep saving, and remember, your dream home may be much closer than you think.